Alright guys, welcome back to Sharon's DIY studio where we do home decor, gift ideas, DIYs, and tips and tricks that you can add to your tool belt. And today I have a special guest. I always talk about my girl all the time. If you don't know her by now, then you haven't been watching my videos, so make sure you subscribe. But on to the next thing, I have a special guest here. And what is your name? Drew. So this is Drew. I always talk about her in baskets for her all the time. So if you didn't check those baskets out, go check them out. So today, what are we doing? Are we doing a globe? So we are doing a snow globe, but this time we're going to do glitter. We're going to do a sand theme. Okay, I'm just going to let you know the things that we'll be using today. She's going to help me out. So let's start naming what we have. Okay? So what we're going to start with?
We need glitter. So
what kind of glitter we have? It's like half moons and stars. So we're going to try this out. And then this is what? Silver?
Silver's glitter.
So this is a holographic silver glitter that we're going to use. What
and
else we got?
And obviously we need a globe.
Hello. What else we need?
We need some charms.
We got some, what is it, shells. We're going to put some shells in there.
We got our sand.
Yes, we need the sand. We're going to use glue gun and we're going to work it out. We're going to try this out. Put some sand on the bottom.
And then we have our pitcher of water. We have a pitcher of water.
We need distilled, but I just use the water that I have spring. So,
we have these little charms because
what thing we're going with?
A sand beach.
So we're also going to use vegetable oil. Okay, this is glycerin, actually, vegetable glycerin. And then we have our little pencils. We have our glue, and we're going to get to it. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so now we're going to get to the best part of the video. And you're going to open up the globe for us?
Sure.
Okay. So we're going to do the base of the globe. And in order to do that, we want to put sand on the bottom of the globe.
But first, we're just going to show you what we're thinking. So we got all these charms, but we don't know if they're all going to fit. So we're going to take, so we're not going to use this one. We're just going to put this one to the side. Yep. And we're not going to use this one. So we're going to put that one to the side too.
So which one? Show me which one we're going to use.
So we're going to hot glue right here. And then we're going to put the welcome sign like that, the two men on the side, and the sand in the middle.
All right, I like that. So let's turn it around so that they could see what we got going on here. That is going to be so cool. We gonna go with that? It's sold? All right, so now we're gonna put the glue on it. So our plan was, because we was trying to figure out how we get the sand on it, and our charms are, figurines that we're gonna be using.
But now we have it all figured out.
Right. So I'm gonna put the glue on it so that we can be safe, and then I'm gonna have her put the figurines on it, and then we'll throw some sand on it, and hopefully it'll work. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. So let me put the glue on it. Okay.
Can I help?
Yeah, you can help me.
Can I put the glue?
You gotta be safe.
I can do it.
Alright, go ahead. You gotta press this button right here. Yeah. And then we're gonna just do half. Just stay half. So now we're gonna put the charms on it. And we have to hurry up because the sand is we wanna be able to put the sand. So here you go. You can start. I'll put this one. I'll start it off. Alright. You don't gotta push it too hard. Alright, so we put that one on, and now she's going to put the other one on the other side. Alright, put the charms on there. And make sure you slide everything to the middle so that it goes in. Alright.
So we have to make safe for the sand?
Yeah. Alright, so we got our two charms on there. Here, you put this in the middle, right here. Alright, put it there in the middle. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to put the sand, guys.
You have to be really careful.
So look, this is what we did so far. Now we're going to put the sand. Just throw it all up in there. Okay? And then we're going to push it down to make sure it's in there.
Yeah. I'm going to take off the access sand.
Yep. See, my girl got big words. Got a smart one on my hand. All right, and if you want to put some more,
you could.
Yeah.
And if you want to put some more, you could. You just have to make sure you have more glue so it sticks.
Right.
Because if you put some and you don't have more glue, it's just gonna, when you put the glitter and you shake it, you're just gonna see the sand. You're just gonna see the sand shaking all over the place.
Right.
So
it doesn't look like it's sticking a lot. So
you're gonna have to put some more glue.
Okay.
We're gonna put some more glue to make sure we have enough to make it look like it's at the beach.
Okay.
Maybe we should do some on the other side.
Yeah, we're gonna just put some here.
Can I help?
Sure. Okay, I'll do this side.
No, I'll do this side.
Yeah. Here. You gotta do it quick. You gotta do it right on the spot so it goes. Yep, and then push it down. Push it down. Okay, can you do this side? Guys, we're doing this for the first time, so we're not sure if it'll stay, but it'll do. Whatever we have, we're going with, we're fine with. So put some on there. Put a good chunk on there.
And then just pat it.
Pat it down. Go ahead.
And the reason why we're pressing on it is so it can make some little bumps, so it actually looks like it's at the beach. Because at the beach, the sand, it has like little bumps inside. So that's what we're trying to do.
Yep. So we're just gonna add some more glue.
But if this doesn't work out, then we'll just keep adding some more.
Go ahead, put some
and
more.
we'll just keep adding.
Yep, and we're okay with what we got because everything doesn't have to be perfect. Right?
As long as you have fun.
Exactly. Say it again.
No.
Look at the camera, say it.
As long as you have fun.
Come on. Say what you do with your good voice. As long as you're having fun, you guys. Okay? Alright, so put some on here. Right.
And once we're done with this, we'll see you in the next season.
Yes. Alright guys, so now we are going to be doing the snow globe. We have to put some water, some glistening, and what else?
Some
shells.
And what? I actually want to add a little more.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Alright, so put the shells in. Oh yeah. More?
These shells are stubborn.
There we go. Alright. So we got the shells. Now, you hold this. Matter of fact, we're going to put the glitter. So.
Can I put the glitter?
Yeah, but we're not going to put too much.
Because we want to have some glitter for next time.
No, because we don't want it to be too clunky. Alright.
Yeah, but we're probably going to want to use this glitter in the next video.
Mm-hmm.
But
Alright, girl.
but if I'm in the next video, we're probably going to want to use the same glitter. So we have to have some glitter for next time.
Gotta save something next time here. Alright, so we're going to put a little bit of this. Don't put too much, because remember what happened to the other one. A little bit. That's it. She doesn't understand what little is. She likes to go all the way. Okay? Alright, so now we're going to put the glisten. No, first we're going to put the water. No, I have to help you with this one. It's not going to, we ain't going to put this all over the table now. Just hold it. Okay.
Very still.
Yep.
This looks just like the other one.
So pretty, right?
Yeah. This looks just like the other one.
Let me see. So we already are liking it, right? You're liking it?
Yep, but maybe we should put like...
We're going to put more.
Yeah.
We might need more water, actually. See how much water we might need? Whoa, I didn't know we needed this much water. We might be good because we have to leave a little bit of...
Why is it so cold?
We got to leave a little bit of space for that to go in. Yeah.
And if we put it in, it's just going to overflow. So
exactly.
You can't put that much.
So hold that. Make sure you got it?
Yeah.
All right. So now we're going to put the vegetable portion in. And we need how many teaspoons? It was supposed to be 2, but how much were we going to put?
4.
We're going to put 3. Remember? We just want to put 3. Okay. So we're going to put 3
tablespoons of
vegetable
oil.
Vegetable glycerin. So that's what? How much is that?
1.
Okay. 1 And what's that?
2.
Okay. We're gonna do one more.
3.
Good job. All right. Because this is a bigger globe, so I'm just trying out putting a little bit more in there. All right. So we got
because the bigger
that.
it is, the more you need.
Exactly. So now you want to put this in?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll hold this. If it starts to overflow, we'll pour some out. Okay. So go slow.
It's like almost.
You probably need more water, right? Hold on. Let me put a little more water.
No, because it was already almost.
Ooh, look at that. Hold on.
Because it was already almost all the way at the top.
I know, because once we put it in, it has like glue on this. Oh, wrong thing. We'll pour a little more water. All right, now I think that should be good. All right, so now we're gonna put this in there.
It looks like it's gonna overflow.
I think it's gonna fit. I think it works out.
It is.
Oh, some water came out.
I feel water.
All right, so that's why we got our paper towel.
Because
So
stuff
now-
like this could happen.
Exactly. So wipe that down. All right. So now, what we're gonna do? Look at all that glitter on the top. So you can shake it up too. See? Got a lot of glitter in there.
It's so heavy.
Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up.
And I could put this like on a vanity in my phone.
Yes, because she has a beautiful vanity set that we got. So, right?
It's so heavy.
It's so heavy. So now we're gonna shake it up. 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 Do you love it?
We could do some.
You can like barely see it because you put so much glitter in there. But we love glitter, so that's all good. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna show it on a different camera. See.
And I'll show
And then
them.
you wanna show it on this one? Woo. So you're good with all of the glitter?
Yeah.
You love it?
Yeah.
All right.
I think we're gonna need to take them out.
No, it's okay, 'cause once
But
we-
look.
No, that's fine because then you have enough to keep it going. So now what we're gonna do is close this up. I might put some glue on the corner so that the water doesn't come out. Because I don't want you to have water seeping out.
And then once I have my vanity,
Then you can put it on the vanity and you won't have to worry about it. So we're gonna just do a little bit because we have to close it, make sure we can close it. So now we're gonna close it up. Whoop, whoop. See?
why can't we go to the bottom part?
It is glue because we'll put the glue on it right now. So now it's not gonna open. Okay? So now shake it up. Are you satisfied with your snow globe? Tell the camera, we're like, they're here with us. Let them know. Are you satisfied with the snow globe?
Yeah.
All right. Did you want to put some shells on the bottom part of this?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
what I was thinking.
All right. So I'm gonna pour some out, and then we can just put some shells on the bottom.
I'm gonna have glue it.
All right. Put the next one on there. Just make sure you grab a bigger one so that you don't burn yourself. See, just, and then just go like this and that right there. All right, that's good. Put another one.
I'm gonna put some sand on it.
You want to put some sand on it?
That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay. All right. All right. So just put a whole bunch. Squeeze it up, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. All right, now put that down so I don't want you to burn yourself. Now we're just gonna put the rest on there. All right, guys, so I think we are done with the shells on the bottom. What you think?
Yeah, that looks a lot. That looks so cool. It looks like a spider.
Okay. So
Now?
she said she wanted to put some, what you wanted to do?
Sand.
Alright, but where are you gonna put it? There's no space. Where?
We can put them on top.
Okay.
Okay. Oh wait.
Okay, we're just gonna do it in sections, okay?
Yep.
Alright, so now put that down and then
We could put some more after. We just don't want this to dry up too fast. We just don't want this bit to dry up too fast where we have no point of putting sand. So, but we're actually going to do around the whole thing. This was a very messy activity.
But did you love it?
Yep. But
What?
at least we had something to cover the table. So the glue doesn't stick to the table. And since we made a mess with this much sand, if we didn't put something under it, the sand wouldn't have got all over the table.
Exactly.
And it would have been harder to clean up.
Exactly. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
So it was her idea to do this because we actually was going to do a terrarium, but I didn't have any terrariums at the time and I couldn't run to the store, so I said we're going to have to do a what?
A snow globe, because that's the only thing she had and stuff.
Exactly. So I am so happy how it's coming out. We're almost done. We have a little bit more, do we? No, I think we're done. Did you want to put any more? It's fine, right?
I think we should put like a little more.
So then,
right.
Go ahead. Safe. Be safe. And then
As long
press it. There you go.
But the only reason why I'm doing this is because I know how to use a hot glue gun. But if you want to do this at home, actually ask a parent for help, as you could only do it by yourself if you know how to use it. The only reason why
you have to always have parental guidance.
Even though you know how to do it, you should still ask a parent to help you, just in case you might burn yourself.
Yep.
Even though you know how to use it.
Yep.
But the reason why I don't need it is because I know how to do it.
Ooh, my girl's crafty, okay? So, I think we're done here. What do you think?
I think we're really done.
Shake it up.
Let's see how it goes.
So,
I hope you guys enjoyed today's craft.
and thank you for joining Sharon's DIY Studio. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And let me know in the comments below if you enjoy my special guest. Do you have anything to say?
But maybe you should hit the bell button.
See, she even knows you have to hit the notification bell so that I can let you know when I drop a new video. So, did you enjoy today's show?
Yeah.
And will you come back next time to do another one?
Yeah.
All right, you heard her say it. All right, so thank you for coming through. Bye. Let them know. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.